7 practical tips on how to make time for everything. 1. Take a rest regularly, rather than just when feeling exhausted. Ideally, you should take a 10-minute break for every 50 minutes of work and devote 1 day a week to yourself only. But if this way of resting is not for you, then try alternating your activities every 20 minutes. If you do so, you'll feel less tired and have more time during the day. Remember, your productivity at work depends on your physical energy. So don't deprive yourself of rest and restoration. 2. Don't be too lazy to do 5-minute tasks throughout the day. Some tasks take no more than 15 minutes to complete. Make a list of these chores, and complete them one at a time. You can sort through the emails in your inbox, dust the cabinets, or water your house plants. Doing these small tasks on a day-to-day basis will help you reach your bigger goals. 3. Delegate as many of your duties and responsibilities as possible. Review the list of your daily household chores, and delegate some of them to other family members. Your husband will definitely cope with the task of throwing out the garbage, and your children can do simple and safe tasks at home too. 4. Write down and keep track of everything you do during the day. Conduct a small experiment. Grab your notebook and spend 2 or 3 days writing down everything you do during the day and how long it takes you. A detailed description of your daily life will help you understand where your precious minutes go. You will probably be surprised at how much time you spend on activities that don't help you reach your goals, like browsing the web or checking unimportant emails. 5. Don't waste your time watching commercials. Rent or buy your favorite films or watch them online. Today, commercials on TV take up so much time that any TV program or series lasts 1.5 times longer. To save you precious time, rent or buy your favorite movie or series. If you do so, you'll spend less time watching commercials and you'll have more time for other useful things. 6. Use your dead time cleverly. Dead time is the amount of time between your tasks, train travel, standing in queues, waiting for friends, etc. Don't waste the time by just playing those stupid games on your smartphone. Instead, use your dead time to read an interesting book, learn a new foreign language, or draw in your sketchbook. 7. Write down all your plans and daily goals even if you're sure you won't forget about them. Try making lists of your usual daily tasks, books you want to read, movies you want to watch, work projects, household chores, and so on. Creating a list of products to buy or even a list of your desires is a simple yet useful habit. It will help you plan your day and ensure you don't miss out on any important activities.